Praise God. So Inash niya na pala dyan. Okay. I have something here in full before I share more about transformation. I'd like to read the full version of that from Psalms 33. The Lord foils the plans of the nations. He thwarts the purposes of the peoples. But the plans of the Lord stand firm forever, the purposes of His heart through all generations. Blessed is the nation whose God is the Lord, the people He chose for His inheritance. So while Dr. Mark was standing here, I was talking to you guys, I was just sitting there and looked at the title in Bible Gateway about Psalm 33. And I was just amazed. Yung title po niya ng buong chapter 33 is The Steadfast Love of the Lord. Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon. Na yung binasa po natin na Bible verse at yung nandito po sa ating pera, sa lahat ng banknotes, meron po ba kayong 20 pesos, 50 pesos, 100 pesos, 500? Tingnan nyo nga po kung lahat po ng denomination may ganito. Kasi baka po 20 pesos lang po na pinakita ni Media meron. Can you just look? Tignan niyo po, 500, 1,000 po ba? Pero rin po ba yung nakasulat doon? Okay, meron po bang denomination na walang nakasulat doon na pinagpala ang bayan ng Diyos ay ang Panginoon? Meron po ba? Wala. Hanggang doon po wala, no? Pero po ba, itaas niyo po yung may Bible verse. Sino po may backnotes na nakita nila may Bible verse? Taas niyo po.